It's currently 8:41. I have one client today, but the lights might go out. We don't know yet because it's supposed to be really windy today, and XL decided to do some power outages. So, the Texas Panhandle won't catch on fire again. So, we'll see how this goes. Hopefully, the lights stay on all day. If not, I don't know what happens. We'll see what will happen, I guess. Anyway, this is going to be our setup for today. We are doing a balayage on this beautiful hair right here. Somewhere along the way, I got bleach all over my shirt. And it's black, but it always happens, and I always wear black to work anyway. The wind was getting scary, but I finally toned her, and these were her results. Thankfully, the power stayed on, but I did catch a video of Lauren taking out the trash.